software-defined network in Proxmox Virtual Environment. So what we need to do, we need to make sure that the installation is completed. So we will go to update our Proxmox Virtual Environment if you have not already done. So it's a good idea to always update your Proxmox Virtual Environment. So we'll not be going to data center, we'll be going to the node which is there, Proxmox Virtual Environment, and I'll be going to shell, and I'll make sure that we update the Proxmox Virtual Environment. So apt update will help you to update the package list if there is any new package. So it says that all packages are up to date. Now I will be clicking, either you can do it update here also, so you can refresh this, so it will get the new list of the Proxmox. If any repository is available, any package list is available, it has already seen that. And then you can simply click here to upgrade. If any new packages are available, it will upgrade that. You can see right now it shows me that your system is up to date because I make sure that system is always up to date. Now what it needs this particular package to be installed. So libpve-network-perl. So this has to be installed. If this is installed, of course, it will tell me that it is already up to date. But if it is not, you can follow these instructions and you can just simply paste this apt install libpve-network-perl. So we'll enter this. You can see here that this is already installed and it's on newest version, so which is fine. Now we need to do one more thing. As I have already mentioned that we have the network configuration in the command line interface also, and we have the network configuration file which is already available inside the Proxmox. So all the configuration is of course saved within the etc. So it also shows you, if we go here, that if the SDN core is installed, you need to make sure that etc network interfaces has this particular source available. So what we need to do, if you have already gone through 8.1 version and later, so of course this will already be there. So if I cat it, cat means that if you want to see that file, which is /etc/network/interfaces, which is the network configuration of the Proxmox virtual environment. If I press enter, you will see this is my network configuration. So how my VMBR, which is physical VMBR, is connected, and its IP address, which you have already seen in the network configuration of the Proxmox virtual environment. So VMBR0, VMBR1, and down here you can see sources /etc/network/interfaces.d/star. So this is already there. But in case if it is not there, so what you will do, let me clear the screen. You can do nano, which is an editor where you can edit the configuration file of your network, nano space /etc/network and /interfaces. Now you can see this is the configuration file. I can simply go down here, and if I will simply paste it here. For example, if this was not there, I will simply paste it here, and then I will press Ctrl X, which is to save the file. It will ask me whether you want to save the file, yes or no. So I will just do Y, and it will save the file. Now if I cat it again, you can see here that sources /etc/network/interfaces is there. You can now continue. One more thing that you need to install is the dnsmasq. So dnsmasq is the package that has to be installed to make sure that IP address management is available. So what you will do, I will just copy this because we have already updated this. Apt install, come back here to shell again, and I will just paste this package also, apt install dnsmasq. So you can see here it says that it has already been installed, so it is already in the newest version, so we don't need to install anything else. So this was the installation of all the packages and making sure that your Proxmox virtual environment is ready. So we have seen the configuration, we have seen all the packages which are mandatory to get started. Of course, these are optional packages. FR routing, so if you are using for advanced setup, you can go for it also. So if we install this, it is optional, of course. I will not be installing it right now. Up to this level, our Proxmox virtual environment is now ready to configure the software defined network. So you make sure that first of all you update the package list to the latest list, and then you install the required network package. The moment network package is installed, you have to make sure that you edit the network configuration file and add the line which is in the help section provided. So you have to add that source list into sources, and then exit and save, and that's it. Now it's better to reboot the Proxmox virtual environment once all the packages are updated, all the packages are installed. Now I have already rebooted my Proxmox virtual environment. Now we will continue to the configuration of software defined network. Let us go back and configure the software defined network of Proxmox virtual environment.